As a content creator, there are so many things that can either hinder your growth or keep you stuck here on YouTube. Now, I'm going to be listing 5 major things that can actually kill your channels. I tag these things growth killers. So if you genuinely want to grow here on YouTube, you should definitely avoid these 5 things that I'll be listing here. The number 1 thing you should avoid is sub for sub. Trust me, this particular one is a major growth killers. Many people are ignorant of the effect of sub for sub. They think they are actually helping their channel, not knowing that they are killing their channel. A lot of people who are stuck here on YouTube is majorly because of sub for sub. Sub for sub will not get you anywhere. It will not help your channel. So please run. The second thing is reuse content. Now, reuse content is another dangerous growth killer here on YouTube, because YouTube has already recognized you use content as a dangerous weapon fashioned against content creators. Now, reuse content will either get your channel demonetized or permanently deleted. Now, you see how dangerous it can be. So if you don't know how to reuse content in the proper way, I made a video on how to reuse content so that you will actually be free from that stigma of reused content, so that YouTube will not tag any of your videos as reused content. But better still, I will advise you to create authentic and original content. Make sure that all the content you are creating here on YouTube is actually yours, so that you will be free from anything demonetization or channel deleting. Make sure that every content you are putting out here is your own content. In that way, you don't have anything to fear at all. I know so many people, upon reaching the level of being monetized, they'll be running helter-skelter. They'll be scared whether their content will be monetized or not, because some of the things they post, they are not actually their own content. And majorly, this is in shorts. Many people copy shorts and post, and they don't know if it will either harm their channel or demonetize their channel. Please, if you want to have peace of mind here on YouTube, run very far away from copying other people's content or posting other people's content. And if you're on reaction niche, maybe you post other people's content and react, make sure you do it in the proper way so that YouTube will not tag it as reused content. Now, the third one is copyright and strike. Please and please make sure you purge your channel of anything copyright claim or strike. Whenever I post a video and that restriction will come out and I'll have that copyright claim, I will rush and delete that particular video, because I don't just want to be making video and another person will be earning from that particular video. It will harm your channel, trust me, and it will hinder your growth. Once you have a number of copyright, YouTube will strike your channel. And you know what happens when YouTube strike your channel more than once? When they strike your channel 2 times in 90 days, your channel is in danger. So the best thing to do is run very far away from copyright and strike. Whatever that will make YouTube to strike your channel, please and please try as much as possible to avoid it. If you are using music, maybe you are on vlogging niche and you need music, you can go to YouTube Studio. There are a lot of free music to use on your vlog that will not get you close to copyright. They are free to use them, and you have your peace of mind, because you're not even going to earn from it. So why leaving it there? You're not going to earn from it. Once your channel is monetized and you create any content that has copyright claim, the person who has the sound or anything you use on that particular video is the person that will be earning from that particular video. So it's of no benefit to you leaving it there. Okay, so once you have a copyright claim, run and delete that particular video. You are endangering your channel and you are hindering your growth. Please. Now, the next one is long form videos in vertical form. Creating your long form videos in vertical form. I think there was a time YouTube announced that any long form video that is in vertical form will not really aim much. I think I saw that earlier this year. So if you are creating content, you are creating the normal long form video, make sure that it is in horizontal form. That is the only form that YouTube accepts as per long form video. If it's your short, there is no problem, it can be in horizontal, vertical, anyhow you want it. But you see long form video, make sure you are creating your long form video in horizontal form, okay? And best is to create your short in vertical form. Now the next one is buying subs, buying YouTube channel, buying email, and buying views. You see this particular one, if you don't want to cry had I know, please and please don't and never you buy subs, do not buy views, do not buy a YouTube channel, do not buy an email. Okay, now let me tell you why you shouldn't buy each of these things that I listed here. Number one, if you are buying subs, those subs you are buying, they are not like, they are robots, they are not real subscribers, they are not people, like they are not human beings. Okay, so if you are buying subs, the number is just there, they are not going to watch your videos. So how are you going to earn? Because you know that your earning here on YouTube depends on the views on your videos. So it's not just about the subs. So buying subs is just like, I don't know how people even do that. If you buy subs, the number is just there looking at you, they are not watching your video, they are robots. Okay, let me just put it like that, they are bots. Okay, so please, and if YouTube finds out that you bought subs, it's not going to go well with your channel. Okay, now you talk about buying YouTube channel. Like I see a lot of people who sell their YouTube channel and people buy. Like, how do you buy YouTube channel? You're not even asking yourself, why is this person selling this channel to me? If this channel is doing good or this channel is good, why would the person sell it? Have you tried asking yourself these questions? Now, buying a YouTube channel is not a good idea, because number one is either the channel has been marked by YouTube, is in YouTube black book, you know what I mean, YouTube black book, or the person is not making the most on that particular YouTube channel because of maybe something they did. They know why they are selling that particular channel, or that channel is not functioning. Don't buy a YouTube channel hoping to grow it. It's better you open one and grow it yourself, so that whatever that is happening on that channel, you yourself know. Okay, don't go and buy another person's problem with your hard-earned money. If that channel is doing good, trust me, nobody will sell a good channel that is actually making money for them for any reason. Nobody will sell it, no matter the amount. Nobody will sell it, because this is a long-time investment. A good YouTube channel is a long-time investment. It will keep earning money for you as long as you are creating content. You are live, you are creating content. That channel will keep making money for you. Imagine selling it. So whoever that is selling a YouTube channel to you, they're not doing you any good. So don't rush and say, okay, this person has worked hard and monetized the channel and wants to sell it for me. Don't, like, are you joking? Now you bought an email and you use that particular email to open a YouTube channel. I don't even know what to say, because that particular YouTube channel is very much prone to being hacked. Okay, if you bought an email and use that email for anything, whether YouTube, whether Facebook, anything at all, just have it at the front of your mind that that particular thing will be hacked any moment. Okay, so please, to open an email is very much easy and very simple. So also is opening a YouTube channel. So don't be that lazy to buy all these things. Okay, and buying views. Hello, you went and buy view and you think that YouTube is not watching. You cannot deceive YouTube. Like, YouTube is very, very smart. They are smarter than you and I. So don't think you will do any mago and you think you will start earning their money just like that. YouTube will not pay you for any work you did not put into this YouTube thing. Okay, they know you are putting effort and they are paying you for that effort. So don't go the easy way. It will not end well for you. Just open a YouTube channel, with your phone. Very simple. Grow it organically and earn your hard-earned money. Earn your money from it. So the last one is you should avoid anything unauthentic. Avoid anything that is not authentic. See, YouTube knows, in fact, YouTube know if you're putting in effort. That is why YouTube have started marking out faceless channel that is not even putting any human touch on their videos. YouTube is marking them and deleting them. So YouTube appreciates human effort. They created this space for humanity. So don't think you can bring anything unauthentic and unreal and start earning. No, they will mark you out and they will delete that channel, and once they delete it, is very permanent, nothing. So please, if you organically and genuinely want to grow here on YouTube, make sure you avoid these things, these 5 things that I listed here. And trust me, it might only take time, but you will surely get there, or it might not even take time, depending on your grace and the effort you put in here. I wish you all the best. Let's see you. Have a lovely day.